check if it's never been used.
Okay, I'll show you what real sharp is. Watch this. Any serrate, roll it in the middle, it will not hurt them. This makes it vibrate, chatters up and down through the teeth. You get one side in, the back on return. Feel how sharp they went now. A lot sharper, ain't it? And I'm not just brushing the very top of the tooth. It hits it all the way through the entire tooth, top to bottom. Now on the smooth edge up front here, he's got a patented flex, so they follow the knife's original edge. Squeeze that blade in there nice and tight, bring the back of the knife up. The rod will adjust, takes the guesswork out of sharpening, puts the original edge back on your knife. Sharpen chisel, full blade. I'm dropping these down today in the show, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30. Made in America, made to last. How's that feel? Right on. Anyone else got a knife? Sure it works on yours too. I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 of them for 30. 2 for 30. Got your knife too, show you.
No, I don't. I got $20.
All right, grab yourself one up.
Does it matter what color?
It don't matter. It's whatever colors you like. Nope.
That's a glow in the dark.
Oh, okay. That's what I need. Can you give my grandson tiny sharpening?
There you go. Thank you. There's videos online for them too. Let them know. I can even do hatchets, cleavers, machetes, outdoor tools. These pins wrap well over 69. It makes it almost impossible to wear it out with sharpener. As long as you got a bevel or a little edge left on the blade, you'll get it good and sharp. We're American made, I'll do any blade. I'm marking these down right now, 20 bucks a piece. Not from Dingadonga. Grab the orange ones up, you're gonna run out of orange too.
If you like to buy practical gifts, you need to stock up on the Block Knife Sharpener. They're perfect for cooking, hunting, fishing, and working. The more you order, the more you save. The Block Knife Sharpener is the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Go to blocksharpener.net to see demonstrations and to order online. Fast, free shipping. Use the code STAYSHARP at checkout and save $5 on your order. And the Block Knife Sharpener has a lifetime guarantee. Unless your last name's Biden. Online at blocksharpener.net.